especially those people that are dear to my heart, and anybody that is watching right now or that might be interested in getting a lot of information from me personal in regards to development in IT in general. Okay, I know there are a lot of videos that out there, there are a lot of content in the internet, there are a lot of things that you can, surf on the internet to educate yourself on various aspects, especially when it comes to IT. Okay, so but on my channel, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you my personal opinion on some certain courses, on some certain aspects of development and IT in general. The major reason why I'm doing this is not actually just for the IT talks or my opinion on different IT related topics, just like I mentioned earlier, but because of my programs. Because before now, I usually hold tutorial programs both offline and offline for my students, people that enrolled under me, whether the people that are currently present in my current location or the people that are not actually present that I do teach online. Okay, for some time now, there have been lapses with my classes due to my engagement, so I decided to make use of this channel so that I can do some tutorial videos that we can be using. Possibly they will use them to learn. Then when we have time, we'll have personal discussions in our normal channels that we normally use before now. So if you're one of my students and you're watching this right now, I sincerely apologize for all the time we've taken so far, and I promise with this medium I'm going to make it up to you in one way or the other. So just follow me. And if you are new, maybe you see me for the first time, or you not see me for the first time, but you want to be part of what I'm about to do with this channel, please, you can simply just follow me on the channel. And also, for some of these young ones that are not yet grounded in some aspect of information technology, especially for those people that want to do programming or development, or they are looking for the part of IT that will be more lucrative or that will be easier for them. We are also going to be talking about a lot of things relating to IT in general. I'm going to bring up a program called My Opinion, where I'm going to voice my opinion on different aspects of IT to the general public and those people that are interested, that might be interested to follow me on this channel. And also, not just my opinion, at a point I might be bringing different IT experts to also tell you their own opinion on different aspects of IT. And I believe this will channel you to get the right information and the right decision on whatever path you want to take when it comes to IT. So guys, we'll see you in subsequent videos as I execute everything I have in plan. So that's it guys. If you're interested, kindly just follow us as we learn together, grow together, and also talk about some important concepts when it comes to IT in general. Thank you and God bless you.